Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can remove objects on CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to take this video as an example. I will copy and paste it, and I will basically freeze frame the photo, and you're going to use the AI remove here, and you're going to erase the item that you want to remove. For instance, this actually let me use the brush, sorry, and I'm going to select the book that's here, and I'm going to select remove. Okay, I apparently can't do that, but you're going to oh, actually, I'll just export still frame and let's see if that would work instead of making it a compound clip. Let's try. So let's see if I can remove this notebook. There we go. So it has to be an image format. That's why. And it's removing it. It's taking some time. You're just going to use the mask button once it's done, like once the object is gone. So here it's like mask and it's like horizontal, and you're going to rotate it this way, making sure you can't see the notebook. It's a little bit hard because the notebook is really close to him, but you're going to pick maybe like a different object, or you can kind of like set it so the item will be the same here. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.